Washington. What up, guys? We can see you out there. We have our
autopilot enabled. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1. Lift off. All 7 engines at full thrust. Chamber pressures are good. Vehicles clear the tower. Now passing 18 seconds into flight. Engine chamber pressures look good. 27 seconds in, vehicles. Now begun the pitch roll maneuver to point down range. Body rate responses are nominal. Chamber pressures continue to look good. Now 40 seconds into flight.
Oh my God!
End of roll, strakes are now level. Chamber pressures continue to look good. 50 seconds in. Data look good on the first stage. Data quality is good coming down from the vehicle. Body now supersonic. Engine on both B3
executives we see there in the middle. We've got our CEO. We've got Jeff Bezos. We have Dave Limp, our CEO. Mark Featherstone.